Welcome to our sports and entertainment guide. Here is Matthew speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. It is 4x5 mini trampoline folding. Cover pad. The cover pad with 5 mm foam inside covers springs and frame completely to prevent users from stepping into the gaps between springs. The warranty period of this part is 1 year. T-joint can keep the frame tube of trampoline more stable. The warranty period of this part is 1 year. Springs, we use zinc-plated and heat-tempered springs with better quality and elasticity, also against rust. The warranty period of this part is 1 year. Steel pipe, frame pipe, T-leg. No fracture or rust is allowed, and the warranty period of this part is 1 year. Max weight, 180 lbs. About Sports and Entertainment Guide Channel. Dana's is a professional store for fitness and sports family healthcare products, which includes elliptical trainers, exercise bikes, inversion, equipment, rowers, step machine, trampolines, treadmills, vibration platforms, fishing kayaks, weight bench, water sports weight rack, exercise equipment sought after by consumers, cost-effective products, and localized delivery services. It uses videos to display the highlights, functions, and details which can help customers select their goods easily. For bulk orders, Dana's can customize according to your needs and offer special prices according to the amount. For wholesale orders, please contact the manufacturer via nancyjchristensen@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.